Hey guys, it's me again, back for another prank video. And since Christmas is, I would say, right around the corner, but it's like less than 2 months. It's in 11 days. I have this wrapped up. It's my tablet that is broken. I just cut up that costume thing. I got a costume. It's like the bag that holds the stuff in it. This is for the weight in the box. And the box is one of these Kung Zoo things. Now I'm going to open this up. Where's the open? I had this from like a couple months ago. Like over a couple months ago. I don't know exactly how long, but I just had this thing in my closet. I'm not joking. It's just been in my closet. How do you open this thing? Alright, yeah, I found it. Okay. I can stick this in it for the weight. That's the main reason this is in here. Plus, they're going to be excited when they find a tablet in there. Yeah, plus, if you guys don't know, it's a Z-pad. Stuck it in there. Bloop, bloop. Oh my god, this is the worst part there. I had to knock that thing down. Alright, bloop. Grabs the tape. I actually brought all this stuff up here myself. Don't worry, I asked permission. There. Stuck a piece of tape on there so it looks real. Alright, now here comes the fun part, wrapping it. I'm gonna see if I can combine these two videos. I'm just gonna experiment a little. And I will be back shortly. Hey guys, I just finished wrapping this, and I have to say I did okay for my first thing. And if they shake it, they're gonna know something big is in there. So yeah, that's my prank. Make a little bow, put it on top or something. I'll come up with something. But anyways, guys, bye. This has been me. This has been me. Yeah, this is me. This has been me on a gift present wrap thingy. It's gonna make them really happy. It's gonna make them really happy, and they're gonna see that there's an actual tablet in there, but it's broken, so they're gonna get really mad. So, bye guys. This might be a part 2, but bye guys.